What's up everyone, it's CS Adventures here, back with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing and weighing the 1-Up composite pedals. So let's get to it. So let's open it up. There's the first pedal. I went with the black pedals. Should look good with the S-Works Stump Jumper Evo. Still deciding whether I'm going to put these or the P&W components pedals on. Going to get a feel for both and then decide. But let's weigh these. Let's see here. We'll put both of them on scale. So these come in at 366 grams. I think they're quoted at 360, so a little bit above, but that might be the scale's problem too. But they're about 30 grams lighter than the P&W components pedals, which is kind of nice to have. 30 grams is a decent amount for pedals, so I might end up sticking these on the stump jumper. But yeah, that's going to conclude today's video. I'm definitely going to do a video comparing P&W versus the 1-Up, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.